Ano? Karne ko na. Ay naku na. Kami neta no mo subuan awan ko basit lang makan na. Lokal. Ingka dyan ah. Tawang bisita. Ingka dyan. Aka na yan bag mo. Awan ni ate? Ito yung papa ni ate, mama ni Axel? Awan pa? Ala.
A Girl Scout is clean in thought, word, and deed.
Listen ka.
A Boy Scout is loyal.
Ay, ayat na.
Di agis mo mama, one activity na nagtagto. Ay, naman.
A Boy Scout is loyal.
Pwede mo lang kasi na. Hindi ko nababalag, hindi ko sinagtinag kami. Kan. Laro mo pa ka
Compassion to God.
Nagkalugong ka na ito. Kamalasin. Ay, alam na taga-malasin. Nagdigdig pa ilang pangalan. Kasi maalis mo naman yung bayaran mo. Hindi ka magpakalay.
Ay, mama din sila ate. Oh.
Madudumihan yung gamit mo. Kuha mo na dito ah.
Oh, watch mo sila ate kuya ah. Tingnan mo sila ate. Watch mo ayan ah. Ang galing nila oh. Oh, watch niyo.
Naman tinapon mo na no. Tinapon mo lang eh. Gusto mong tubig? Kuha ka din ako.
Music to God and my country, to help other people at all times, and to live by the Girl Scout law. A Girl Scout honor is to be trusted. A Girl Scout is loyal. A Girl Scout is helpful. A Girl Scout is a friend to all. A Girl Scout is disciplined. A Girl Scout is self-reliant. A Girl Scout is thrifty. A Girl Scout is clean and thought, word, and deed.
Iba talaga pag babae oh. Ano? Ano nangyari? Sabi ko, huwag kang umakyat. Huwag kayong makyat. Huwag kayong makyat.
Ay, so, kale?
We are! Go, go, go! Yes, we are! Go, go, go! We are the Girl Scouts! Go! We are the Girl Scouts! We are the Girl Scouts! We are the Girl Scouts! We are the Girl
Ang ganda.
Scouts! We all but very bold! The coolest, the wittiest, and the best!
Wow.
On my honor, I will try. There's a duty to be done, and I say there's a reason here, or a reason up above. My honor is to try, and my duty is to love. People don't need to know my name. If I've done any harm, then I'm to blame. If I've helped anyone, then I've helped me. If I've opened up, come with me where fire burns bright. We can even see better by a candle's light. We can find more meaning in a campfire's glow than we ever learned in a year or so. We've made a promise to always keep, and we pray night falls before we sleep. We'll be Girl Scouts together, and when we're gone, we'll still be trying and singing this song. On my honor, I will try. There's a duty to be done, and I say there's a reason here, or a reason up above. My honor is to try, and my duty is to love.
Kanino anak yan? Ayan, no? Ang katabi na anak mo.
Scouting ng sandigan, di mag-iiba. Scouting ng sandigan, di mag-iiba. Kasing tatag ng kabundukan, di mag-iiba. Ako ang sandigan, di mag-iiba. Ako ang sandigan, di mag-iiba. Kasing tatag ng kabundukan, di mag-iiba. Ikaw ang sandigan, di mag-iiba. Ikaw ang sandigan, di mag-iiba. Kasing tatag ng kabundukan, di mag-iiba. Tayo ang sandigan, di mag-iiba. Tayo ang sandigan, di mag-iiba. Kasing tatag ng kabundukan, di mag-iiba. Scouting ang sandigan, di mag-iiba. Scouting ang sandigan, di mag-iiba. Kasing tatag ng kabundukan, di mag-iiba. Ako ang sandigan, di mag-iiba. Ako ang sandigan, di mag-iiba. Kasing tatag ng kabundukan, di mag-iiba. is you.